What's up everyone? I'm Kevin with HaloLifts, and today we're going to talk about our rear blocks and the different sizes we offer. If you have a non-tremor F-150, your rear block is 1.25 inches from Ford. If you're a tremor owner, your rear block is a 2-inch rear block. All of our blocks are made out of 6061 T-6 Billet aluminum. They do have the 2-pin system, and they do have the holes on the back to sit on your leaf packs. This block that I'm currently holding is 2 inches. The next size that we offer is 2.25. The next size up is gonna be 2.5. Next size that we just started offering is 2.5 tapered. And the very last one that we offer is 2.75 tapered, and we call this one the Raptor style. Now, Ford has changed their U-bolts depending on the year truck that you own. This U-bolt right here is for 04 to 20 F-150s. You can see it's a boxed in shaped. Now, if you own a 21 and current F-150, it's gonna be a horseshoe shape. So hopefully this answers all your questions about our rear blocks. If you have any other questions about this kit or any other kit, please reach out. We'll be happy to answer them for you.